Jeez, you know. Hey, we back with another full review, man. This time we are a little early with it. Fresh out of the works and shit. PSA, man. I finally created this YouTube shit. So my YouTube channel is Tension Jones. When you go on YouTube, type Tension Jones, you're gonna see a picture of me and my older brother as the profile. Click on it, subscribe. I have 2 shorts dropping, full review shorts, and a vlog dropping today. So stay tuned, man. And if you're watching from TikTok, the YouTube gonna be like in the bio, fuck. So as you can see in the beginning, we here at Najee's, man. Everybody been saying they need to do a vegan spot and they do all this and that. We here at one of the best vegan spots on the island. Arguably between this and my boy Grass, man. I shout out to my boy Pedicure now for putting me onto Grass and a dog. I'm sure I have going on. Thought we ain't had no fracking, man. But as I can see, boom. Baked macaroni. This is veggie chunks, stew chunks, green banana here, and this is potato, scallop potato. Heather? They passing though. They ain't really pass, but they pass. Taste the macaroni first. Chunks. Green banana. Oh my fucking God. Wow. Wow. Scallop potato. Listen, if you ain't a vegetarian, you need to be a vegetarian today and go to fucking Najee's and get a plate, man. It's like boy Tension checking out. Yeah.
I guess it wasn't real, you ain't really feel it. I just need green, I don't need niggas crazy. I'm sitting and gotta see it on the way they ain't giving. But I just know that I'm gonna win, but it's gonna take a minute. You want money for your nails, you ain't worth it. My heart been exploding, so that petty shit ain't working. Yo, pussy weak, bitch, what you mean, go buy a Birkin. I told the game, don't hit the block.
Dog.
It's a all yellow. You don't really make this